What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing Tsunade from Naruto. It's about time really. So just normal Tsunade, not in a fight pose or with any of her the lines on her face. I'm not sure what it's called. Senju something maybe. Anyway, so let's go. Landscape orientation page, use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. Center point of my page about here. Just come up over to the right hand side a little bit. We'll start with her eyes. And we're just going to start with this curved line, right? So curves, real curvy big eyes. Like so, and then it comes down like that, right? So this is like a hook, right? Down here. What you got to do is just thicken up the top eyelid a little bit, right? And add some eyelashes in the corner. Okay. Might be an extra line just coming off in here somewhere as well. Okay, so then the bottom eyelid, thinner line, comes down and across here. And you can have some eyelashes sticking off here as well. Like so, right? That's the overall shape for her eye. And then her iris, so just like a circle in around here. So it doesn't have to be like a perfect circle, but if you had a coin or something or a compass that would help you get the circle, feel free to use it. And then her pupil in the middle. So in Naruto, the eyes are in proportion, so you just measure the eye, come over that distance, and that's where the eye on the other side will start. So you can fit an eye in between her two eyes, right? So then curve this over, hook it down there, and then thicken up the top. Add some eyelashes, maybe an extra line coming out the front here. And then bit of a hook comes down the back. So then bottom eyelid. So then the bottom eyelid roughly the same as the other side, come down, and then you just kind of bring it across the other side. Like so. Just trying to line it up with the other one. And then eyelash, two eyelashes kind of sticking off just the corner just there. And then her iris, a circle, comes out from her top eyelid and goes back into the top eyelid just there. And her pupil in the middle. So eyebrows. So we've got sort of a curved line just there. They're not massive eyebrows. And then diagonal line there and close it off back there. And we do kind of the same thing here. So we just do a curved line over, up, and then close it off. Curved line back there. Then she has that diamond, in the middle of her forehead. Like so. And nose, right? So we got like a line for the bridge of her nose just on the right hand side there. Goes diagonal in and down. And then her nostrils, nostril there, nostril there. Her mouth, she's kind of smirking up on one side, right? So it's kind of smirking up on this side. So this side is kind of raised up, and then we go down, across, like so. So she has lipstick on, right? So it's normally done in pink in the anime, but if you're doing it in black marker, like a manga, so what you got to do is kind of draw in the top lip first of all, right? So just here, like a stretched out letter M, and then draw in the bottom lip. And then you just kind of color them in black, like so. But on the bottom lip, leave a white circle. Okay, so it kind of gives the illusion of lipstick without. But if you were wanting to color it pink, obviously you just do it pink. So then her chin down here, and then this is going to curve up like so, and this one curves up there. And we're not going the whole way because her hair comes down from her forehead up here, right? So just above this star that we did, we'll do her hairline, which bumps around here, bumps around there. And then out from there come her fringe lines, right? So say we'll go up, and this comes down right by her eye on this side, goes back in, like that, and then this comes down like so, back up, again, back up to there. This eventually will go around here. We'll just do the other side of her head first. This comes up, down, like so. We go back in to there, and then this will go down, up this way, back down, and then this goes out as well. And in here we have hairlines. Like so. Right, so then we'll bring her hair up around to the top of her head. So we'll go. I forgot to mention as well proportions for her face. So like eyes to nose is about the same as nose to chin, right? Just if you're wondering about the proportions. So here to here, about the same as here to here. And then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. So that's about your distances, okay? Just for your proportions. And normally, eyebrow to forehead is about the same as eyebrow to nose, right? So here to here, about the same as here to here, okay? So just if you're wondering about the width of things, okay? So then we'll go up around, and these come sort of in here, and then we go up around the other side. to there. And then we can just kind of see the top of her head in the background. Like so. Okay, so her neck curves down this way, curves down that way. Then we have like a neck muscle line here, and collarbone comes off that way, off that way. Right, so then her collar comes out from behind her neck, comes out here, down, like so, and then out from behind her neck on this side, down like so, and then just a line for her chest just there, and then line there, line there. So then, let's see, we've got like a line coming down here for her kimono, and then the other side of that comes out down that way. Then her shoulder comes off this side and down this way. If you're wondering how far to bring out the shoulder, I normally say her head width, so like, or her face width, right, out, and that's normally how far you bring out the shoulder. Okay, and then you can have sort of some extra sort of fold lines down here as well. And then we'll curve a line out that way. And then curve a line out that way. And we'll bring this in like so for her shoulder on the other side. Down like that. And again, we could do some armpit lines just there. And I think like she should have an extra line or two coming down here. So like one there, one there, and like one here, one here. I think this one's kind of thicker. That, and then she's got ponytails at the back of her head. Come out here. And then same on the other side, kind of tied here. Back out that way. And I think that's everything. That's how to draw Tsunade from Naruto. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.